Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can get transcript of any YouTube video that you want. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And after opening the browser, now go to the search bar and start typing youtube.com. So after you've typed that down, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard. Now this will take you to the official website of the desktop version of YouTube. And in here now you can open the video that you want to get the transcript of. I'm going to open one of the video of our channel. So after you've opened the video, here you can see this is the video, and all you have to do is click on this option that you can see right here, three-dot bar, and after clicking on it, there you will be able to see the option of show transcript. Here you can see currently there is the no option of show transcript right now. So if you don't see show transcript in here, you can simply just go to your description of the video. Here you can see you can click on more right here and scroll down. Then you can see the option of transcript, and then you can see the option of show transcript right here. You can click on it. And then in here, you can see this is the transcript of your video. And all you have to do is again, click on this three-dot bar that you can see right here. And after clicking on it, there, click on this toggle timestamps. Here you can see all the timestamps has been toggled, and all you have to do is simply just copy this all transcript just like this. Click on your mouse and drag it all the way down in order to select it just like this. And then right click on your mouse, then you can see the option of copy right here. Click on it. Now you have successfully copied the transcript. Now you can paste it on wherever you want. I'm going to paste it on my notepad. So simply open the notepad and simply just paste it just like this. And like this, you can get the transcript of any YouTube video that you want. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.